Hi guys, welcome back. Ideal opportunity to talk about painted cars. I think within the GBS remit now, the vast majority of customer cars obviously are either panelled here, but most definitely painted here. We've got a bit of an example as we look around the showroom today. I'm surrounded by what are all painted cars. The only car in here that's not painted is an earlier chassis that's been in for some IVA work, but even the car that we're panelling at the moment, that's going to be a painted car. Now obviously we offer the painted service, like I said, once we panel the car, but we are now starting to see more customers that either panel their own car, bring it back to us, which we just had one go this week, but also customers that's had a car on the road for a while. We've actually done a few whereby the car's come back, we've stripped it of its wishbones, took everything off it and it's gone off to paint. It does seem a really popular option for people to actually have the car painted. And as we know, obviously a painted car is going to have a higher residual value. The amount of money that you typically spend on having it painted, not only does it look $1 million, but actually, you know, if you do want to sell it, it's going to be worth significantly more. So some of the paint options, you know, your world's your oyster. Obviously, it's going to cost slightly more depending on what you have, whether you have base colours, metallics, whether you have stripes. The options are there, but we've got a fully candy metallic on this one. That was a bit more expensive. And you've got a couple of base flat colours, and then a car with the stripes. Yeah, so if you are interested in getting your car painted, keep an eye on our website. We are updating. There's going to be a paint section. Obviously, catch us on Instagram. Obviously, all the cars that get painted are going to come on there as well. Or just get in touch.